Welcome to the VidComply audio demo, powered by an agentic approach. It integrates natively with Avid Pro Tools and any professional workflow utilizing audio files and automation. In this demo, we'll show you how it automates the preparation and processing of audio tracks, dramatically reducing the need for manual editing. We'll start by importing our raw AAF session data directly into Pro Tools. Taking a look at the timeline, you can see that the source file is completely raw. It contains no normalization or gain automation. To automate this process, we bring the exact same AAF package into the VidComply audio interface. First, we initialize the clip preparation step. The audio agent analyzes the tracks, accurately detecting voice regions and microphone bleed, and establishes the baseline target gain levels. Next, we execute the clip normalization step. The system processes the dialogue, ensuring that every single phrase is precisely gain normalized. With all calculations complete and changes applied, we export the process session as a final, ready-to-use AAF file. Moving back to Pro Tools, we import this new AAF file right alongside our original tracks. To integrate this seamlessly into a standard mixing workflow, we simply select the new tracks and convert the imported volume automation directly into clip gain. And here is the final comparison. Looking at the before and after, you can see perfectly leveled dialogue with sample-accurate automation. VidComply Audio handles the heavy lifting, saving hours of manual editing. Thank you for watching.